Hey, me again. I know I've been MIA, but we'll get to that in a second. Before we get into anything, I do want to explain what this video was supposed to be today and why it's not going to be the way I intended it to be. Next time around, we're going to do it a little bit differently, trial and error. So today's video was supposed to be, we go to the package store and we find a random product that I've never heard of. It's new to me. And then we look at their social media to see if they have any advertising on their social media when it comes to video. And then we make a video ad for them and try to get them to repost it. Trying something new this year. I want to do these types of videos where you guys see my product videos and I take you behind the scenes of wedding videos, stuff like that. Because that's the stuff I genuinely enjoy. Like seeing all of those creative videos come together and seeing the hard work that goes into them. Like there's a lot of hard work and people don't understand that. This was shot about a month ago. In the meantime, I've moved and this is why I've been MIA. But that's enough of me yapping. Today, I'm gonna show you how I made a video like this. So the kicker of this product video is we are going to the package store, we're bringing you guys along, and we are going to find a brand that's new to us, I've never seen before, hopefully help them out with their marketing. It's like a free advertisement today for their product. Whoever we pick, hopefully you repost this video and you see it, because I feel like it's going to be pretty cool. That was shot before I knew my audio was going to absolutely blow inside this package store. So we went and searched every aisle that we could to find the right product. We knew we couldn't shoot any tequila bottles or any big bottles that wouldn't fit inside our mirror contraption. So we searched around the entire store to find the right sized can and the most colorful can that would fit our idea for the shoot. So what I found was these two brands right here, and these were the top two contenders. So what I did from here is I went onto their Instagram pages to see one, who has more followers, obviously, because if they do repost our video, then it will get noticed more. And then two, we also had to see who had the least amount of video work done for their company. And once we narrowed down the results, we checked out of the store and we headed home to start our shoot. Found the winner. It's a very bright can, will fit very nicely in what we're going to do. Here's our storyboard right here. I drew this up the other night. We might not follow this to the T, but it always helps to draw a storyboard when you're shooting product videos because it just helps the flow go faster. But our first shot out the gate, because we're eventually going to pour all the liquid out of these cans, it's a lot easier to shoot with an empty can. And while we do that, we have our Canon EOS R right here, ready to shoot in 4K. First shot out of the gate, we are getting the liquid coming out of the can and going into the glass. The biggest problem we had with this shot was getting the pour right, but when we got it, it looked like this. We flip it, and then the final edit looks like this. Okay, so we just shot our pour shot, which will eventually lead to the big hero shot at the end of the video. But our next shot is we're going to have the can rotate with the green screen behind it, and we're going to take the stick underneath it so we get a nice clean rotation. We have the product rotator down here, and I will take the stick to that, and that will come after our next shot. Throws the can up, and it's going to rotate. I'm going to have the camera rotate around it in the air, and it will eventually lead to this shot. I know it sounds weird when I explain it, but when it all comes together, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Now this shot definitely had some issues. The rotating product on the stick would not stay on the stick taped at all. Finally, when I got it, the raw looks like this, but then the biggest struggle comes next. Trying to get the can perfectly in air to match the edits to eventually have it stop in midair. Have the final edit look like this. So my cameraman left for the night. He had some personal stuff to take care of. We just balanced our gimbal, and what we're gonna do is we're going to throw it into this mode. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, okay. So what this does is you're able to turn your camera like that. So basically, the plan is, if I do this right, is it's gonna start like this, and when I wanna turn the can as it's being poured, it'll end up like that. Now this was the shortest shot, but it took me forever to accomplish this. Trying to balance the gimbal and get the perfect rotation was nearly impossible. But this was the raw, and this was the final. So I think it came out pretty decent. And that's a wrap for night one. Tomorrow we got another day
or night of shooting.
And it's the next day. We have a couple more shots we have to do. This is our last shot that's going to be in the video. Hero shot where I pour the beer into the glass over here and then set the can next to it. And then we have our green screen to attach our background later on in post. And then we're gonna go downstairs, down here, take the Kaleidoscope mirror triangle contraption I built, which I'll show you that in a second. We are going to put that in front of the TV and utilize that. And then also utilize some of the colors that come off the video from the TV and put it up against the cans, because these cans are nice and bright with their colors, so you want to emphasize that with your video. Super excited, so I'm going to do this now, get a couple of these shots, and I cannot forget to spray the water, because I don't know why I keep forgetting that. It's very crucial to make it look cold. Then I just need to edit it, and then it's a freaking wrap, guys. I'm too pumped for this video. Hopefully they repost it. Prayers up.
The easiest shot of the entire shoot, and I decided later on in post that I would replace the glass with a can.
Alright, the last shot here is the kaleidoscope effect inside the mirror, which looks insane. If you can't tell, you put it up against the TV, you get the skull pattern, which is displaying over there on my computer, and then it looks like that in the camera. I already shot the cans in front of the green screen, which we're going to put in here, and then we'll add that in post, and then we're gonna get some tight shots of the cans against the screen to show the colors. Then we're gonna get that shot and edit off there, and we're done with the shoot. It's a wrap, folks.
One thing I learned during this shoot is working with TVs is nearly impossible sometimes. Trying to get the right shutter speed, the right ISO, it's very hard to get the shots. But when you do, it's so satisfying.
And that's a wrap. That's how to create a product video at home, low budget.
Quick spoiler, we weren't able to get the company to repost the video. I don't know why. I don't know what it takes to get somebody to repost your video. It's literally a free ad, but we just got to keep trying. Just got to keep making ads for different companies. And I thought when we would start off small, like a local brewery, they would repost it because they don't have a lot of video work on their Instagram. Nothing. I sent them the video through email, tagged them on Instagram. I did get, I will say, one of the artists that designed the cans for this company, he did repost that on his story. So that was super, super, super cool, and I appreciate him. But other than that, I don't know why I can't get this company to repost it. Just gotta keep on trying, right?